Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you step-by-step on setting up the Devolo WiFi 6 Repeater 300. This powerful device enhances your Wi-Fi coverage and boosts internet speeds, ensuring seamless connectivity throughout your home. Perfect for eliminating dead zones. Let's dive in and get started. First, let's unbox the Devolo WiFi 6 Repeater 300. Inside, you'll find the repeater, a quick start guide, and an Ethernet cable, everything you need for a smooth setup. The compact design and included accessories make it user-friendly and ready to enhance your Wi-Fi network instantly.